BZ Kurdistan. A to all my Kurds, I do it for y'all. BZ Kurdistan. To all my Kurds, I do it for y'all. Hey, you know it's Kurdistan Munchie. You know I be so hungry for that music. You know what I'm saying? Belay, you already know your boy Munchie the Great do it. You know what I'm saying? I'm Johnny Munchie. You know what I'm saying? Marhaba, Ban, you know what I'm saying? And Anamin, you know what I'm saying? Johnny Munchie, slaw to all my Kurds, you know what I'm saying? To all my Arabic understanding Kurds. I know y'all speak Kurdish, but y'all speak Arabic too, okay? You know what I'm saying? Don't think I don't know that, all right? And I mean, you know what I'm saying? Jai Minchi Huwa Amrika. Or did I say that backwards? Is it supposed to be Huwa Jai Munchi? I don't know. I forget. But anyway, yeah, I'll say this is Kurdistani Munchie TV, and this is the Munchistan Royal Empire. You know what I'm saying? I changed the name of my channel, you know what I'm saying, to Munchistan, you know what I'm saying? BZ Munchistan. Hey, welcome to Kurdistan. We are reacting to Dotmir Naze. You know what I'm saying? Dotmir Naze. And the song's called Kurdistan, you know what I'm saying? So, slow, you know what I'm saying? To all of y'all, you know what I'm saying? Let's get into this reaction video. Is that her holding the flag or she's standing by the flag? So this is an old ancient fortress. Let me see this. This is an old castle. Oh, look at that. Old brownstone. This is brownstone. Oh, wow. There's some houses in my city called, in the historic section of my city too. Houses is made out of those same type of stones. Like no lie. That is called brownstone. Wow. You can see some of the limestone seeping out of the rocks because it's so old. Okay, let's get into it. You're not getting it with the Kurdish gang. This go hard, you know what I'm saying? Beautiful Kurdish sound, you know what I'm saying? We stand in front of a old, you know what I'm saying, median type castle, you know what I'm saying? Maybe Cyrus the Great was here. Is this the castle that Cyrus the Great used to reside at? Y'all let me know where he used to rule at, you know what I'm saying? Chia, the bird you do my da. Chia, the bird you do my da. Bird you do. Hey, Peshmer, God, Madam Mavla da. Hey. those are pictures of who? Old presidents or something? Because you know Kurdistan do got their own government. Had their own autonomous region in Iraq. I think the capital is Erbil, Kurdistan in Iraq. So I won't be surprised if this is actually Erbil right here, where they standing at, looking like they protesting. There might be the protest for their own country. You know what I'm saying? So is he supposed to be scouting? Is that what he doing? He's scouting for the Kurds? They about to go take over a castle or something like that? Or is is that the enemy scouting, trying to scout on my Kurds? Let me know in the comment section. He's been on a long journey since the beginning of the video. Oh, hey, now you riding through the border. Hey, it's the highlight dance right there. So I want to know, is it true that the older men wear the wrapped, I don't know what you call it, I forget the proper name for it, but the red and white headpiece that they wear, the older males, heard that it's when they're older, and if, I don't know if they fought in a war or something like that, I'm not actually sure. Y'all let me know though, if I'm wrong, but let me know the fun fact based on that, because I remember something about that. Beautiful. Oh, I like that. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Hey, those swap pies, you know what I'm saying? Music video, you know what I'm saying? Kurdish sauce right there, a whole lot of Kurdish sauce right there. That was Dotmir, you know what I'm saying? Naze, you know what I'm saying? With the beautiful song known as Kurdistan, you know what I'm saying? And this is Manchestan. And I'll see you guys in the next reaction video. If you enjoyed this reaction video, make sure and smash that like button. Make sure you subscribe. Turn on your post notifications, and I hope to see you guys in the next Kurdish reaction video. Now I'll let y'all know that I only want positive Kurds on my channel. Okay, anything else, any other negativity or anything, I'm just mentioning, to let y'all guys know, I support my Kurds. I don't support no terrorists. You know what I'm saying? So that, I only support real life, everyday surviving Kurds. You know what I'm saying? And those who face death. It's not a joke. It's not a game. You know what I'm saying? But some of y'all are weird. Because I guess y'all not used to another person from a different culture reacting to your music or supporting your music, even trying to understand and even just having an interest. You know what what I'm saying, because I'm African American, you know what I'm saying, and I mean Rica. You know, I'll see you guys in the next video. It's your boy Jay Munchie, Munchie the Great. And yes, I took up that name because Cyrus the Great, you know what I'm saying, or about unification, you know what I'm saying, one of the most powerful kings in the world, you know what I'm saying, when he ruled, and he ruled under, you know, saying Persia was under, you know what I'm saying, Cyrus the Great at one point, and yeah, I love it. See you guys in the next one.